Good morning guys, in front of me is Nokia 220 and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer. At first, open your camera app, then go to settings and go to timer then. Here you can pick 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. Let me pick 10, and now you can smoothly grab a picture with particular delay. So let me focus it on this hard reset sign, and now you can hear and also see the countdown. After that the picture will be grabbed. And that's it. Then if you wish to switch the timer off, tap on more icon, go to timer and mark 0. As you can see now you can grab a picture right after you click. So this is it, this will be all. This is how you can use camera timer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.